Hi, to add Google Keyboard on the Samsung Galaxy A34, we need to open Play Store, go in the search bar and just enter Gboard and then install this one app. So after that we can immediately open it, and as you can see we need to enable it in the settings first. So let's open settings. Here let me just go back to the main settings, and now we need to find the general management tab. After that, select the keyboard list and default. Go in the default keyboard, and here you would need to select another keyboard. But before you do this, enable Gboard from the list. Just tap on the switcher to enable. Here tap OK button, then go in the default and switch to the Gboard. And now the Gboard will be your default keyboard. So let's try this out. I'm gonna open any messages app. Let me just find my friend Mehdi. And this is how the Gboard looks. I guess it's really pretty. Now let's switch to the Samsung keyboard to check the difference. And that is the Samsung keyboard. So just choose which one suits you the best and select it by tapping. So that's it for today. Hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching.